Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Leos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few more cards from the other deck. Let's see. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. Leos, with these cards, I feel there is a good understanding between you and your person. Okay, you have a very good bonding and emotional connection with them. Uh, what to say? Um, you're benefiting each other's company, guys. That is the energy here. You love each other's company. You're very compatible in this relationship, okay? And you feel your person is helping you today, okay? They are being very responsible today. Maybe they are helping out you today. Maybe for some of you all, you may be sick today, okay? Some kind of illness, and they are taking care of you. That may also be the energy here, guys. This relationship has passion, intimacy, and love, guys, and you like to be with each other. So that may also be the energy here, Leos. You have a very good understanding, guys. So that is the energy here. Maybe if you are not in a committed relationship, this person is helping you out, guys, today in some kind of what to say crisis, okay? You are feeling down, you're feeling depressed, or you are ill, okay? Some minor sickness, something, and this person is helping you to helping you today, okay? They are taking care of you. That is the energy here, Leos. Let me pick three cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Okay, Leos, with these cards, I feel you're feeling burdened, okay? Very responsible, and some kind of what to say, minor sufferings are there, maybe due to the illness, okay? So you are feeling very low today, and you're feeling what to say, this obstacle today, something you have to what to say, challenging you, maybe the sickness or some kind of responsibilities in your work, okay? So all you need to do is have that resolve to make things work, okay? Go with the spontaneity, do not overthink about anything, okay? When we overthink, we just feel scared. We have to just think once and decide and go do it, okay? And be not burdened with the preconceived ideas we have, okay, guys? This may be regarding your work or in your personal life also, guys. You may what to say, feel burden, some kind of burden or suffering today. You love this person, you have a good understanding, But there is some kind of, what to say, some kind of crisis, trials in your relationship, guys. So you are not able to accept this person, okay, as they are. You want them to change. Maybe you're they are depending on you for everything, okay. So that may be also the energy here, guys. But they are very loving and caring. Maybe they are depending on you financially, or what to say, emotionally, okay. So you don't like it. That may also be the energy here, guys. But Leos, in your heart of hearts, you have even though when you have this person in your life, you're happy with them, you love them a lot, you have this attraction and friendliness, and you're benefiting each other's company, you still have a certain crisis. Maybe that may be some kind of emotional issue, okay. So you need to uh, not go into overthinking the negatives, guys. That is the energy I feel here. You should not overthink about the negative, and you have to go for only the positives, guys. That way you will overcome this emotional situation you're facing today. So let me pick out three more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what is coming up. And this is the Angel Tarot, guys. Angel Tarot deck. So let's see what is coming from here. Cherish innocence, forgiveness, let go. Leos, just like I was saying, it is time for you to let go of all the negatives, and just accept the truth for whatever it is, whatever is happening, okay. So once you let go of your past and the present, okay, the person's negatives, uh, if you have a person, if you are single, maybe your past person, once you let go, you are surely going to find someone good, guys, someone who's loving, caring for you. When you release this past negative energy, the burdens, you just feel so light, guys. Emotionally you feel so light. You can just enjoy the present day, whatever it is, and live with, what to say, the live with the freshly, okay. When you give up the past, all the burdens of the negative energies, whatever you're having, you have to understand your situation, and you need to forget and forgive the person, guys. Forgive your person and forgive yourself for all the mistakes that has happened in the past, okay. And you have to let go of all your negativities. The sooner you forgive, the sooner you heal from the negatives, okay. So that is the energy here, Leos. So it is a time for you to forgive yourself and forgive your person. That way you will be able to overcome all your emotional challenges you're facing today, guys. So that is the reading for you all. If you are single, maybe this is a time to for you to let go of your past memories, guys, about your person, your old person, about your ex, whatever negatives you are harboring within yourself. It is time to let go of all this, all that negative energy. Forgive them and forgive yourself for the mistakes that has happened, okay. And go with the spontaneity. uh, what to say, experience the simple things freshly as it is, okay, without any what to say, preconceived ideas. So you just welcome life as it is, guys. That is the energy for all singles, Leos. That is the energy for you all, guys. So you just have to be spontaneous, guys. That is the energy. See things as it is without your preconceived negative emotions. You just need to let it go, okay? So that way you will be able to see what is there in your present, okay, what is right there in front of you, guys. So this is a reading, Leos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.